to our lovely Miss Faye Adam. Naka-off yata yung mic ni Madam. Okay na? What is the most important thing you've learned from your fellow GIST faculty and staff?
Thank you for the wonderful questions. And to answer that, there are lots of things that I have learned during my commitment here in GIST or Gateways Institute of Science and Technology. For one, I have learned the value of integrity because I believe that that is one of the most valuable lessons that our dear CEO and President of the school have continually taught us, that we have to be honest in terms of the small things, and at the same time, I also have learned the value of work because I have learned that from my first head, Ma'am Geraldine P. Asi. She has taught me a lot of lessons, especially from being who I am right now. And for that, I always grateful to all my co-workers, to all my bosses, superiors, and colleagues because they have learned of who I am right now because of them.
Thank you so much for that candidate number 1. Next. Sir?
Ayan, game.
Sa ating gwapo na contestant ngayon,
Kinulugod ko pong malaman.
how would you introduce GIST to the parent or guardian of a potential student who wants to enroll? Paano mo papakilala ang GIST sa potential na, ay sa magulang ng potential na student?
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong katanungan. Mabuti na lang po ay may Tagalog. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, so bilang isang empleyado ng napakagandang school na GIST, ako po ay nalulugod na ipakilala sa ating mga magulang na ang GIST ay hindi nagkukulang, number 1, sa tamang pagtuturo ng tamang attitude. Pangalawa, ang GIST ay nagbibigay o higit na nagbibigay more than sa binabayad ng mga estudyante. At pangatlo, sabi nga ng ating tagline, Gateways Institute of Science and Technology is your partner in technological competence. Thank you.
Thank you for that, sir. For our next candidate number 2, ma'am. Take your question.
Good afternoon, Miss number 2.
Good afternoon po. Okay.
Habla español.
¿Cómo está?
Yeah. Mabutimos.
Okay, the question is, what is the most important thing that you can teach a student of GIST? Okay, or whatever.
Maraming salamat po sa magandang katanungan na yan. Bilang bagong guro ng GIST, unang-una kong natutunan dito na nais kong ibahagi at ituro din sa mga mag-aaral ng GIST ay ang pagkakaisa at ang responsibilidad ng bawat isa. Kapag alam mo ang responsibilidad mo, magagawa mo lahat ng bagay na kung ano ang maiaatang sa'yo. At kahit hindi ka matalino, basta't alam mo responsable ka, kaya mong gawin ang lahat. Tandaan, daig ng responsable ang matalino.
Okay, thank you for that number 2, ma'am. And then let's proceed with our candidate number 2, sir.
Okay, the question is, what unique quality you have as a person and as a teacher that you can bring to GISD?
The attributes that I would offer or render to GIST as a teacher, just like what I always taught to my student, they would instill integrity. Integrity wherein choosing actions and thoughts based on values rather than personality, wherein those things, what I always mention in every lessons or in every class that I handle, instill integrity in everything they do to pursue their dreams and to make dreams come true or reality po. Thank you so much po.
Next candidate, number 3.
Good afternoon, candidate number 3. Here is your question. What have you learned as a teacher during the pandemic, and how will you apply it now in the face-to-face classes? Ano ang natutunan mo as a teacher noong pandemic, at paano mo ito i-apply sa face-to-face class?
Thank you po sa inyong katanungan. Kahit saglit lang po akong nagturo noong pandemic at through po ito, online and modular, marami pong naiambag ang online at modular kahit mahirap po sa mga estudyante. Marami pong natutunan yung estudyante sa paggamit ng teknolohiya kung saan pwede niyo pong i-integrate ang technology sa face-to-face na pagtuturo. Dahil ngayon po yung ating panahon ay uso po yung teknolohiya. Kaya kailangan po na maging marunong at maalam yung mga estudyante sa paggamit ng teknolohiya po. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, number 3. Next again, number 3.
Candidate number 3, good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
This is your question. What is the most important thing you have learned from your GIST superiors?
Okay. Since my superior is none other Ma'am Rhea, so I think it is very important to learn what responsible really mean is. Because I think being responsible, even you are being seen or not, you need to do your duty as a GIST teacher. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, candidate number 4.
So this is a very interesting question for you. How will you solve a disagreement with a fellow GIST faculty or staff while still adhering to GIST's values? Paano ka mag-settle ng difference in views or disagreement with your fellow faculty and staff na in line pa rin sa values ng GIST?
Okay po.
Napakagandang question po. Salamat po. At magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Bilang isang guro ng GIST Purview, meron po tayong iba't ibang opinyon at desisyon sa buhay. Pero po, para po masolusyonan natin at masagutan natin ang katanungan na yan, hindi po lahat ay sasang-ayon sa ating mga solusyon at problema. Ipapaliwanag ko lang po sa inyo. In every problems, there's always a solution in our math. Ganon din po sa ating tunay na buhay. Katulad sa faculty, pag tayo ay nagkaroon ng problema, pwede po natin yung pag-usapan. O kaya naman tayo ay magkaroon ng good communication to each other. Hindi po lahat masasagutan ng pag-aaway at salungatan sa isang faculty. Sabi nga po, diba, ni Ma'am Geraldine Acid, na ang pagiging responsableng empleyado at pagiging mabuti sa iyong trabaho ay nagbubunga ng magandang komunikasyon sa isa't isa. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Number 4.
Good afternoon, Mr. Pogi daw, sabi ng Fairview.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, the question for you is, how will you discipline a misbehaving or rebellious student aligned with the values of a GIST teacher? Paano mo didisiplinahin ang isang estudyanteng nagre-rebelde o hindi nagbe-behave ng maayos na aligned pa rin dun sa ating values bilang GIST?
Maraming salamat po sa magandang katanungan. Okay, para po malaman natin kung paano masusolusyonan ang misbehaving ng isang estudyante, kinakailangan po na alamin natin kung saan nanggagaling ang misbehaving. Kasi kung hindi natin alam kung saan nanggagaling ang misbehaving, may tendency na hindi natin malalaman kung paano ito masusolusyonan. But if ever na alam natin kung saan nanggagaling ang misbehaving ng isang estudyante, meron po tayong magagawa upang masolusyonan ito. Because alam naman natin, according to some philosophers, okay, na dapat mapuntahan or even naranasan muna natin yung isang bagay para ma-identify natin kung saan sila nanggagaling. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much again. Ayan. So,